I've decided to go get the gearbox out of the truck. Just having a couple of issues, so I'm just going to... Gearbox now jammed under the truck. Oh well, this is the engine I got from the old truck today. I can't really put it away until it's been cleaned, because if they're not clean, they're just hard to deal with. But I'm pretty sure this is 80 years of gunk. So technically, well, according to my mate, this is the same gearbox as the Carrier. So, and I sort of thought, I can't really leave it there, because what if I need a gearbox? What if the Carrier one's staffed? And I thought, this was actually, as the engine actually turned out to be not too bad underneath it's all its oil. So I thought I'll just go and get this one. So I'll scrape as much dirt up as possible and then water blast it. Maybe after dinner. If it's not the same as a Carrier, I'm really wasting my time. But I did find one online in New Zealand for $1,500. I'm not going to pay that. Must be the rarest of the gearboxes for $1,500, because it's really just a bit of a... It looks to me like scrap value. Ooh, shiny bits under the bird. Alrighty, so I've given it a good clean and I've just got the oil draining at the moment. I'm going to take a whole lot of photos and just start comparing it to Carrier engines and see if this is the carrier substitute. It's definitely got the truck numbers on it, but I will see. I'm going to leave it here overnight because my other trolley has got a V8 sitting on it and I can't move it, it's too heavy. Time for another work for another day.